Hello everyone and welcome to e-learning classes. Children, today we will continue the same chapter, resources catering to our needs. And in this video we are going to study types of resources. Children, resources are of different types and each resource has its own importance, as I told you in previous video also. So today we will study the classification of resources. First classification is on the basis of origin. On the basis of origin, resources can be grouped as biotic resource and abiotic resource. Biotic resources are the ones which have life or are living. For example, plants and animals. Plant give us food. Plants are the primary producer. Plants also give so many products like medicine, fruit, cotton, etc. And animals are being domesticated for egg, milk, wool, etc. Children, biotic resources have the capacity to reproduce, so they are called inexhaustible resource. Next is abiotic resources. Abiotic resources are the part of non-living environment like soil, water, minerals. These abiotic resources are found in a limited quantity, and the overutilization of such resources can lead to their extinction. Another classification is on the basis of renewability. Again, they are of two types: renewable resource and non-renewable resources. So first is renewable resources. रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज ऐसे रिसोर्सेज होते हैं चिल्ड्रन जो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होते हैं और हम उनको बार बार यूज़ भी कर सकते हैं, लाइक सोलर एनर्जी, टाइडल एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी. दीज आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इनएग्जॉस्टेबल रिसोर्सेज, मीन्स कभी नहीं ख़त्म होने वाले रिसोर्सेज. नेक्स्ट इज नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज. These are the resources that cannot be renewed or regenerated. They are available in fixed quantity. इन रिसोर्सेज को ज़्यादा यूज़ करने से, एक्सेस में यूज़ करने से ये रिसोर्सेज ख़त्म हो सकते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एग्जॉस्टेबल रिसोर्सेज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज लाइक coal, petroleum, and oil. Children, these resources are also called fossil fuel because they take millions of years to form due to the decomposition of buried dead organisms and plants. Therefore, extinction of fossil fuel would take millions of years to replenish. Next classification is on the basis of development. On the basis of development, resources are actual and potential resources. Actual resources are also called developed resources. These are the resources which are being used to their fullest and whose actual quantity and quality is known are called actual resources. फॉर एग्जाम्पल चिल्ड्रन, वाटर की एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी हमें पता है और क्वालिटी भी पता है. वाटर का यूज़ हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करने में, एग्रीकल्चर में, इंडस्ट्रीज़ में और बहुत सारे पर्पस में करते हैं. उसी तरह विंड एनर्जी को भी हम बहुत सारे पर्पस में यूज करते हैं. दैट मीन्स वी नो द एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट रिसोर्स. दैट इज वाई दीज रिसोर्सेज आर कॉल्ड एक्चुअल रिसोर्सेज. नेक्स्ट इज पोटेंशियल रिसोर्सेज. चिल्ड्रन, हर रिसोर्स एक्चुअल और डेवलप रिसोर्स से पहले पोटेंशियल रिसोर्स होता है. And these are the resources whose actual quantity and quality are not known. For example, places like Siberia and Antarctica are supposed to have bulk of potential mineral resources. Similarly, Africa has a huge potential of hydropower generation because of the presence of waterfalls. Waterfalls are the potential resource. But if we use this water to generate electricity, then this water become actual resource. Another classification is on the basis of distribution. On the basis of distribution, resources are ubiquitous and localized resource. यूबिक्विटस रिसोर्स ऐसे रिसोर्स होते हैं जो हमें हर जगह मिलते हैं, जैसे सनलाइट है, एयर है, वाटर है, ये हमें हर जगह मिलेंगे. लोकलाइज्ड रिसोर्सेज वो होते हैं जो हमें किसी स्पेसिफिक एरिया में मिलते हैं, जैसे डायमंड है, वो हमें साउथ अफ्रीका की माइंस में मिलेगा. In the same way, the states of Jharkhand and Odisha a lot of minerals are found there. Human beings are capable of changing the available resources in such a way that they become useful to them. And we call that resource human-made resource. Human-made resource are obtained from the raw material, that is the natural resource. Knowledge, skill and technology of human beings help to convert the natural resources into human-made resources. For example, we use pencil to write. The pencil is made of wood, which is obtained from the forest. So trees are the natural resource and pencils are the human made resource.